Welcome to Vida Del Mar, a safe and gated community in Manzanillo. This condo is located in the Sinaloa building, one of the most desired oceanfront buildings. There are no other buildings in front of Sinaloa to block the view, and it's located on a ground floor. This one-bedroom, one-bath has been newly updated with all new paint and electrical can lighting. The fun and fresh accessories add to the comfort of this condo, and the sofa is a queen hide-a-bed to sleep 2 additional people. You'll also enjoy air conditioning. However, the view is the real star of this condo. You can sit right here. This is where we eat every meal and play cards. And then this is like an accordion screen, so we can close these screens all the way across. This beautiful kitchen has been equipped with all new everything: dishes, glassware, silverware, pots and pans, brand new blender, and it features full-size appliances. The master bedroom has a queen-size bed and is extremely comfortable, and you wake up to this gorgeous view every morning. In addition to this stunning view, the patio features a mini fridge and a washer-dryer combo unit. This condo in Vida Del Mar will exceed all of your needs for long-term stays. There are 3 total pools. One sits high on a bluff where you can watch the whales. It is a short walk to the popular beach of Playa La Buquita, where there are many beachfront restaurants. Contact us to reserve your long-term rental today.